And my beautiful people out there, beautiful morning to you guys. You're welcome to today's episode. We'll be treating today the topic like how to make your man or how to make your partner realize your worth. Yeah. How to show him your worth for him to know in case if he or she is misbehaving. So guys, let's dive into what we have today. It is your girl, Steph Gold, and this is my word. You are highly welcome. So coming to today's topic. So today we'll be treating in one of the things to do to make your partner realize your worth. One is you realizing your self-worth. Yes, realize your self-worth. I always say this, guys, not just me. I know all of us, or most of us, must have been hearing about all these stuff from one video to another, or in one word or other, you've come across such talk. So what am I saying? You realizing your self-worth, it starts from there. For your partner to realize your self-worth, you first have to do it first by knowing who you really are. Know yourself. Know what you are capable of doing. Know the things you are capable of doing and the things you are not capable. You have to know your capabilities. Know your self-worth. Everything from outside, it starts from within. From within you. Yes. For people out there to love you, you've got to love yourself. Start from loving yourself. For people out there to appreciate you and who you are, appreciate you for who you are, it starts from within you, from you. Appreciate yourself. Then the people out there will appreciate you. Be happy with yourself and people out there will be happy with you. Don't always try to bring yourself down, trying to talk down on yourself, trying to make yourself look so worthless in life. Even if you're not adding any value, but know that you are precious. You are unique on your own. Everybody will not be the same, and everybody got their own time to shine. Take things easy on yourself. Take it easy on you. Don't try to harm yourself or try to force things. Let it flow. I know all of us have seen, all of us have seen ourselves in this situation whereby at some point in life you feel like you're just kind of some useless or worthless, like you feel like nothing is going the way you want it, and it will be like whatever you do is not even moving fine with you. You'll be so down. So my dear, I'm talking to you, and if you're watching this video, pick yourself up. Pick every broken pieces of yourself, package it, fix yourself together, make yourself worthy of yourself. Try and fix your life. Even though things are not moving fine, just keep pushing, keep on going, just keep moving. You will surely get there. One day things will still turn around for your good, and you surely get whatever you wish or you want. Yes, it will surely happen. Trust me on that. So my dear, know your self-worth. For someone out there to even begin to look at you and also seeing the worth you're talking of, it starts from you, not from anywhere. You're the one holding yourself. You're the one keeping yourself. So let it start from you. Begin to find out that. Find what is in you. Find your talent, your specialty. It is there in every one of us, and it's hard sometimes to realize ourselves. It's very, very hard most times, but just keep going, keep praying, keep believing. Trust me, one day things are going to, it will start to happen the way you even want. You'll surely be a happy person. So you're trying to make your partner realizing your worth. It starts from you. Begin now to work towards yourself. Make impact. Add value to yourself, And trust me, that guy out there will surely or that lady out there will surely see all those things. You don't even need to mention it. He will surely know about that. And if he's a real G, he will also help you. He will also help to bring you up, to push you. So I will always advise our ladies, or if possible, maybe both partners, always find someone that can help you become a better person in life. Find that person, that one person that can always tell you the truth. Not because they love you, they will not have to say what is right, or tell you the truth, and you keep on going on the wrong path. Find someone that can help elevate you in all around, that can help you to grow. Truth is bitter. Let him tell you the bitter truth, but still make changes out of it and become better. And trust me, you surely be better. You surely see yourself a reformed person. Look for someone that will help you grow. But first, know yourself. Know your worth. When you don't know your worth, then people out there will now use you to play. They will play with you. They will play in every chance they get. They will just take advantage of that. And that's the fact. So guys, thank you so much for watching on today's episode. And I believe you watching it, pick 1 or 2 stuff out of this. Pick 1 or 2 stuff. It will help a whole lot. Thank you so much for watching. It's your girl, Steph Gold, and this is my word. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, like, share as much possible as you can. Share to people out there. You know, we keep on adding values in any way we can, adding values to the universe. Thank you guys for watching, and know that your girl love you all. Thank you so much. Bye.